Dear friends, there's a type of seed that, when soaked in water, transforms into a soft, sticky, cool gel that can deeply cleanse pores, help reduce acne and oiliness, and even smooth the skin noticeably after just a few uses. Sounds strange, right? It's not an expensive cosmetic product, nor a rare medicinal herb, but simply a natural, affordable, easy-to-find ingredient you can use right at home. Today, I'd like to share with you a skincare tip that many people have used for a long time. It's Nguhua seeds, combined with a few familiar ingredients from the kitchen to help cleanse the skin, reduce acne, and nourish soft, smooth skin naturally, gently, and effectively. And especially at the end of this video, I'll also share which foods to eat and which to avoid if you're dealing with acne-prone or rough skin. So the beauty effects come not just from the outside, but also from within. If you find this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button on the channel Live Well Every Day and leave a comment below. It'll give me more motivation to keep creating more practical, easy to understand, and relatable content. Now, speaking of Nguhua seeds, I'm sure many of you have heard of them. But not everyone understands why these tiny seeds are so beloved in skincare. In fact, Nguhua seeds, also known as Dinlish seeds, come from an herbaceous plant used for generations in traditional Eastern medicine. When soaked in warm water, they quickly expand and form a smooth gel layer that lightly adheres to the skin, like a natural face mask. And that gel layer is what brings visible effects: deep cleansing, oil absorption, antibacterial support, acne soothing, and unclogging pores, reducing blockage and mild inflammation on the skin. What I love most about Nguhua seeds is how simple and gentle they are. No fuss, no dependence on cosmetics, but if used regularly, your skin will noticeably improve in just a few weeks. I still remember a few years ago, my younger cousin from the countryside called me in distress. She said, "My face has been breaking out badly lately, especially around the chin and cheeks. I've tried all sorts of creams, but nothing works. I can't even look in the mirror, sis." At that moment, I asked just one question: "Have you ever heard of Nguhua seeds?" She was hesitant at first and didn't really believe it, but after I guided her on how to soak the seeds, apply the gel, and maintain the routine 2 to 3 times a week, about 3 weeks later, she messaged, "My skin is so much better, sis. Cool, clean, noticeably brighter, no more itching or new breakouts." Honestly, Nguhua seeds aren't a miracle cure, but they're a safe, easy-to-use, and very effective option when used correctly. And right now, I'll share the detailed instructions on how to prepare and use Nguhua seeds at home properly, so you can apply it easily, affordably, and effectively. Recipe number 1: Nguhua seeds plus honey plus coconut oil for moisturizing and soothing. Acne-prone skin. Dear friends, as you know, Nguhua seeds, when soaked in warm water, turn into a natural soft gel. This gel can absorb excess oil, cleanse pores, support antibacterial action, and soothe small breakouts. But cleansing alone isn't enough, especially for damaged or dehydrated skin. That's why I add 1 teaspoon of pure honey, not only to moisturize, but also to quickly calm red, irritated skin. Honey contains enzymes and mild antioxidants that gently disinfect and promote natural skin healing. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil. Coconut oil contains a special fatty acid, lauric acid, known for its antibacterial and soothing properties. For peeling or dry skin, coconut oil acts like a natural protective barrier, softening the skin and preventing moisture loss. To boost antioxidant power, I gently take 1 vitamin E capsule, cut it open, and add the contents to the mixture. Vitamin E is like a shield for the skin, helping fade acne scars, improve elasticity, and slow early signs of aging, especially beneficial for those entering middle age or working in polluted environments. Lastly, I add a few drops of grapefruit essential oil, not only for a relaxing scent, but also for light antibacterial effects and skin tightening. Grapefruit peel contains limonene, a natural compound with mild anti-inflammatory properties that also helps brighten the skin when used regularly. When all these ingredients blend with the Ngu Hua gel, you get a face mask that deeply cleanses, hydrates, protects, brightens, and naturally fades dark spots. Most importantly, this blend doesn't irritate or sting when used in proper amounts, making it ideal for Vietnamese skin, especially oily, combination, or post-acne skin. How to make it is very simple. Just soak 2 teaspoons of Ngu Hua seeds in warm water, around 70 or 80 degrees, for about 10 minutes. When the seeds fully expand and form a smooth gel, add 1 tsp honey, 1 tsp coconut oil, contents of 1 vitamin E, capsule 3 to 4 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Stir gently until the mixture is smooth, then apply directly onto clean skin. Avoid the eye and lip areas. Lie back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients absorb into the skin. Then remove the mask and rinse with warm water. With this formula, you can apply it regularly 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin condition. Note: if your skin has active pus-filled acne, severe inflammation, or is under dermatological treatment, it's best not to use ingredients like essential oils or honey, as they may overstimulate or cause unexpected irritation. In that case, you can just use pure Ngu Hua seeds or consult a doctor beforehand. For those seeking a gentle, natural skincare routine, this is a great choice, affordable, safe, and relaxing after a long, tiring day. Recipe number 2, Ngu Hua seeds plus unsweetened milk to brighten and soften skin. Dear friends, as mentioned, Ngu Hua seeds, when soaked in warm water, create a gel that can deeply cleanse pores, absorb oil, and provide mild antibacterial effects. But cleansing without nourishment can easily lead to imbalance. So, I combine them with unsweetened milk, not only to soothe, but also to hydrate and provide vitamins A, B, D, and natural enzymes that help the skin become brighter and healthier after each use. Unsweetened milk, unlike sweetened milk, is much gentler and less likely to cause irritation. It contains natural lactic acid, which gently exfoliates without thinning the skin, helping your skin's surface become smoother, more even-toned, and fresher each day. When combined with the Ngu Hua gel, this mixture not only deeply cleanses, but also nourishes the skin's outer layers, making it softer and naturally radiant from within. Each time, simply soak 2 teaspoons of Ngu Hua seeds in unsweetened milk. After about 10 minutes, the seeds will expand evenly, forming a thick gel that's easy to apply. Gently spread the mixture over your face, avoid the eyes and lips, then relax for 15 to 20 minutes. When done, remove the mask and rinse with warm water, and you'll feel noticeably smoother skin, as if it's been refreshed. And this formula is especially suitable for those with dry skin, dull skin, lifeless skin, or skin that needs quick soothing after sun exposure. Additionally, for middle-aged individuals, when the skin starts to lose its elasticity, this is also a simple way to brighten the skin without causing thinning or irritation like many chemical masks. However, if you have very sensitive skin to lactose or are prone to dairy allergies, you should test the mixture on a small area under the chin or wrist to ensure safety. You should only use it 2 to 3 times per week, and it's best applied in the evening when the skin is already cleansed and ready to absorb nutrients. After applying the mask, you can follow up with a light toner and a thin layer of moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin plump and smooth until morning. Dear friends, caring for your skin isn't just about applying masks or cleansing it every day. I've realized that truly healthy and beautiful skin is nourished from within, from what we eat and drink daily, not just from what we apply on the surface. That's why in my daily meals, I always try to include foods that are beneficial for the skin. For example, foods rich in zinc, like pumpkin seeds, cashews, oats, eggs, or shrimp. Zinc is an essential mineral for healing acne, reducing inflammation, and regulating oil production effectively. In addition, I maintain my vitamin A intake from vegetables and fruits, especially carrots, sweet potatoes, papaya, and chicken liver. Vitamin A helps the skin regenerate cells, control excess oil, and contribute to a brighter, smoother complexion, especially in areas that are dull or sun-damaged. If possible, I also eat 2 to 3 meals per week, rich in natural omega-3 from salmon, mackerel, or include flax seeds, walnuts, because these healthy fats help fight inflammation from within, reducing redness and sensitivity while keeping the skin moisturized. And no matter how busy I get, I always try to drink enough water and add more green vegetables every day. A well-hydrated body helps the liver and kidneys work better, which in turn supports detoxification and internal cooling. This is especially important for those with acne-prone skin, internal heat, or mild rashes. However, skincare is not only about what to eat, but also what to avoid. Because some foods, though tasty if consumed too often, can prolong acne and worsen inflammation. For example, refined sugar, commonly found in candy, soda, and packaged desserts. Eating too much sugar increases insulin levels, disrupts hormonal balance, and stimulates oil glands, making acne more inflamed. Another group is milk and dairy products. While I don't deny that milk is nutritious, for some people, it can cause mild hormonal disturbances, making acne slower to heal or even worsen if the body is sensitive. Also, try to limit deep-fried, oily foods, as the oils not only increase cholesterol, but also cause the skin to produce more oil, clog pores, and lead to under-the-skin pimples or inflamed acne. And lastly, coffee and alcohol, 2 things many people consume daily, but which can dehydrate the skin, make it tight, and more sensitive. Especially for acne-prone skin, consuming too much coffee or alcohol slows down healing and increases the risk of scarring or hyperpigmentation. So, if you're in the process of healing your skin, balancing hormones, or just finished an acne treatment, then a healthy diet is the most fundamental, sustainable, and safest skincare step. I truly hope that today's sharing not only helps you understand Nguhua seeds better, but also suggests small daily habits that can greatly impact your skin and health. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel, leave a comment below, and share it with loved ones, because someone out there might just need a gentle but effective solution for their skin. I wish you peace, good health, and skin that is always glowing and smooth. Dear friends, skincare has never been something distant or expensive. Sometimes, just a little more awareness of our body, a little patience each day, can change not just our skin, but also our mood. Nguhua seeds are just a small part of that journey, but when combined the right way, both inside and out, your skin can gradually become healthier, brighter, and clearer without having to rely on harsh chemical products. I hope what I've shared today gives you another safe, practical option you can try at home. If this content is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Live Well Every Day. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts or suggest future topics you'd like me to cover. Wishing you always good health, radiant skin, calm spirit, and peaceful living each day. I'll see you in the next video.